Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Big O's Breaks 2021 Bowman Chrome 5-box Mega Team Break number 5. This is our second break of Bowman Mega tonight. Number 4 was quite the 5 boxes. We hit 2 autos and some really nice stuff. So, hoping for a repeat this time around. Break number 5 for Bowman Chrome 5-box Mega. Drop a note, let me know you are in, hanging out, and what teams you have, and we will get off and running here in about 30 seconds. Alright, let's get started with box 1. And we're going to do this, well, we'll do it the same as we did our last break. We did our base packs, and then we did our Mojo one box at a time. So we'll stick with that again. This Bowman Chrome stuff is a fantastic product, and I love the Mojos. Empty box. Bowman is my favorite product of the year. Bowman Draft's coming up in December. And here we go with the base packs. Jose Garcia, Crochet, Ian Anderson. We will sleeve up all first Bowman. Brian Hayes, Jazz Chisholm, Posey, the newly retired Posey, Mercedes, Bellinger, Glaber, Yaz, Abreu, Acuna, KB, Alvarez, Scherzer, and Chapman. We'll go with our Mojo packs. Nick Gonzalez, Gorman, Dawn of Glory, Austin Martin with the Blue Jays. He's now with the Twins. Cespedes, Pena, Beltre first, Celestino first. Oh, there's an orange. Oh, that is sweet. Oh my goodness, that is nice. Polanco to the Pirates, orange. Numbered 4 of 25. Wow. That is awesome. The camera does not do it justice. That is a gorgeous card. Nice hit to the Pirates. We are going to start that right in Hulk. That is going to be tough to top. 25 out of 25 to the Pirates. Awesome hit. Garrett Mitchell and Passan. Sleeve a couple of these up here. Well, we are picking up right where we left off from our last 5 boxes. That's a sweet hit going to the Pirates. And box 2, here we go. I think we won't change anything up with the order we're opening packs. We have been pulling some really nice stuff tonight. Alright, here we go on the base packs. Votto, Bellinger, Glaber, Yastrzemski, Darvish, Gallo, Hayes, Vaughn rookie, Kirk, Harper, Springer, Clark Schmidt, Joey Bart rookie, Skubal rookie, Madrigal rookie, Kim rookie, Lewis Robert, Betts, Judge, Kyle Lewis, Luzardo, Soler, World Series MVP Soler, I should say, Jose Ramirez, and JD Martinez. And our Mojo packs. Here's our 2 Mojo packs out of box 2. Good luck. Jared Kelly, Peraza, Julio Rodriguez, Cuero to the Brewers, Matt Manning, Beltre to the Blue Jays, Celestino, Eddie Howard, Dawn of Glory, CJ Abrams, and Soderstrom. Sleeve some of this up. And then we'll be on to box 3. Alright, box 3 coming at you. Need to add to our showcase. Showcase is lonely. Nothing out of box 2 for the showcase. These are our base packs. We'll separate them. Alright, here we go. Soler, Ramirez, JD, Harper, Springer, Madrigal, Kim, Robert, Betts, Judge, Schmidt, Joey Bart rookie, Skubal, Darvish, Gallo, Hayes, Andrew Vaughn, Kirk, Bellinger, Glaber, Yaz, Abreu, and Acuna. And our 2 mega packs out of box 3. Hoping to find somebody to join Polanco out of 25 up on our showcase. Alexander Ramirez, Mets. Bobby Witt Jr. Acosta, Dawn of Glory. Rodriguez, Jordan Adams, Hunter Green, Pineda, and we have something sticking here. Oh, we have a pink Reed Detmers. That's nice. Detmers out of 199 to the Angels. Detmer to the Angels out of 199. Josiah Gray and Gabriel Rodriguez. Sleeve some of this up. We'll add Reed to the showcase. Yeah, finding my top loader. I think the Polanco's out of 25, but I'll double check. Maybe I read it wrong. Good question, Max. Polanco 25. 25. 4 of 25. 4 of 25. Is the Pirates owner watching? Nice hit if you are. All right, on to box 4. Are we thinking that we're going to see free agents sign before the CBA actually expires, or is everyone just going to wait? I would think teams are probably going to wait, but I don't know. Jose Garcia, Crochet, Ian Anderson, Singer, Suarez, Springer, Schmidt, Joey Bart, Skubal, McClanahan, Shohei, Altuve, Devi Garcia, Jimenez, Dane Dunning, Paul Goldschmidt, Trout, Adele, Jeffers, Dahlbeck, Suarez, Merrifield, Arias, Tatis, and Rosarena. And our 2 Mojo packs. Box 4. Looking for our first auto out of this break. Oh, I see an orange. We'll slide that to the back. Amaya, Austin Wells, Blade, Pedro Leon, Alcantara, Dawn of Glory, Mauricio to the Mets, Lacey, Peraza Yankees, Julio Rodriguez, and Malcolm Nunez, first Bowman. 21 of 25 going to the Cardinals. Nice hit, Cardinals. So 2 numbered cards out of 25 in this break. Two numbered cards out of 25. We'll sleeve some of this up. And then we are on to our last box. All right, box 5. Base packs. Box 5. Last box. Looking for a big hit. Alright, good luck. Here's our base packs. Skubal, McClanahan, Votto, Bellinger, Torres, Vladdy, Molina, Kirilloff, Sanchez, Stevenson, Stremski, Abreu, Acuna, Trammell, Javier, Pearson, Sam Huff, Marte, Lewis, Luzardo, Braylon Marquez, Brian Hayes, Chisholm, Contreras, and Hulk. And our last 2 Mojo packs. There we go. Medina to the Brewers. McAble. Chiwambe. Jordan Walker. Looks like we got something. See some color peeking out there. De La Rosa. Elias. Alec Thomas. Gabriel Rodriguez. Out of 150 to the Indians. Nice hit. Blue out of 150. I think that's our first blue tonight. Nice hit to the Indians out of 150. Perez to the Brewers, and Chen to the Pirates. Sleeve some of this up, and we'll do a quick recap. Thanks everybody for hanging out. Appreciate your prompt payments and for you breaking with us. And we hope to be back next week. We do have Absolute Football coming up here in a couple minutes. We hope to be back next week with some more of this Bowman. And we may actually try to do that through the page too. We'll have to see. So nice showcase. 4 numbered cards. 2 out of 25 cards we hit. And here's a quick recap. First, out of our base packs, Chisholm, Hayes, Kirilloff, Contreras, Bart, Adele, Dalbeck, Kim, Madrigal, Robert, Vaughn, Bart, Kim, Madrigal, Robert, Bart, Vaughn, Hayes, Chisholm. And our first Bowman Mojos that did not make the showcase. We probably could have put some of these up there. Medina, I'm not sure how you say that. Blyce, Chen, Pirates, Leon, Astros, Pineda, A's, Acosta, Dawn of Glory, Alexander Ramirez, Mets, Bobby Witt Jr., Gabriel Rodriguez, Eddie Howard, Dawn of Glory, Cuero, Brewers, Beltre, Blue Jays, Celestino, Twins, Dawn of Glory, Martin, Beltre, Blue Jays, Celestino, Twins, and our showcase, first, Reed Detmers out of 199, pink, going to the Angels. Nice hit to the Angels. Gabriel Rodriguez out of 150, first Bowman, going to the Cleveland Indians. Malcolm Nunez out of 25, going to the Cardinals. 21 of 25 to the Cardinals. Nice hit to the Cardinals. And our Hulk Smash hit of the break. 4 of 25, Shalen Polanco, Pittsburgh Pirates. Hulk Smash hit of the break. Sweet hit. Sweet hit. Almost looks 3D. It pops off the card. Awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate it. And we will be back shortly with Absolute Football. Have a great night. Bye-bye.